Okay guys, it's 17 degrees out this morning. We just switched out the LS3 throttle body for an LS2 from Peak Speed. We're going to see if the cold start issue is fixed just by switching the throttle body. I've changed nothing else. Just going to use my remote start and see if it'll stay running. First attempt, a fail. Second attempt, a fail. Third attempt, a fail. We'll try one more time. Not happening. The LS2 did fix my idle issues, but cold start, we haven't tried retuning anything, just the same ROM I've been running all winter. So we'll mess with that a little bit and see if we can't tighten it up and get it to stay running.